We now see this is a shop on Etsy. Its entire sales are based on these sales. Tumbler, goblet. The decorations will be sold. Close to 150,000 products. We can see that in his data. His gains are attainable to $1 million in revenue, and he sells one of the best products. It was a cup. We can see the cup alone has sold 7,000 pieces. He can earn it. $100,000 in passive income. And other products are selling very well, except for this cup. We can also see other photo albums. You can make $3,800. Take another look. Another water cup. Made him over $18,000. The main thing I sell is some cups. This is the cup you can earn again. $100,000 in passive income. How to create. Make money from sales. I can't design. I can't make products. How to earn passive income with Etsy. How to share today, even if you don't understand. How to draw. How to create. You don't even have to ship. You can create it with AI. Someone like me. A cup like this. Call Etsy to earn passive income. If you are interested in today's topic, then come with me. I'll show you step by step. If you skip it, very likely, you're gonna lose that opportunity to make money. Say no more. Now let's get to today's topic. Let's start with the AI toolbox. You can find it on the front page of my channel. Select the Chat GPT tool. Write some inspirational quotes. These famous sayings are liked by many people. You look classy on your desk, drinking tea and drinking water with this cup. First, Chat GPT. Just ask him to write 10 famous quotes, and you can see it here. There are a few more after these famous sentences. The writer of famous quotes. We just need to copy the name. Then you can come. We came to Canva. Here we want to customize a size. The width is 2,700. The height is 1120. We remember the size of the cup template. Then we need to create the text. I'm going to create my first style. To make water glasses. Just generated the famous sentence. Paste it here. Here's where you have to choose. Different of these fonts. For example, this font. Look good. You can make it look like writing. These formats. So you can use this font. Let him just copy and paste. The body of this cup. And then there's a picture on the other side. Here. Search for inspirational images to decorate. We can be here. Find these ready-made statements. It's good to see that. You can see there are a lot of different kinds of stickers. These sentences are all motivational. These sentences are very good. You can choose the colored one. You can also choose to modify different colors. For example, black is fine. It sets it off better. You can click on this image. There are many kinds of stickers to choose from. Add style to the creation. Just a picture you like. I found this sticker. It's a good look. I like to use black. This picture will do. There are a lot of options here. And then we download it. Top right, download share. To select a transparent PNG, select transparent background. Then download. Continue on to the toolbox. Find the directory icon for earning dollars. Earn dollars by building a store. Check out the Printify website. This is a company that prints physical products. You don't have to create your own product. All you have to do is provide him with a picture. Can help you print some clothes, cups, phone cases, and so on. A wide variety of products. It can help you print it out. Let's log in first. You just need to set up an account for free. You can start writing. You click on this catalog. Can see? There are a lot of products here, including clothes, socks, and so on. We can click and select a product to have a look. We're selling cups today. So search for the cup here. Can be found. This cup. So let's say I'm going to click to create this cup. And then underneath the product. You can see that the provider of the product chooses the store with the highest points. This shop is responsible for printing products. All you have to do is upload the picture. He can help you make the cup. Of course, we'll start with the top left corner. Here to upload. I downloaded this picture just now. Upload here. You can see that once it's uploaded. Let's take a look. Just click on this browse button. You can browse to see what it looks like. Is it very fast? Very convenient. So make. This is a very simple way to create cups. Then, there's another way we can make pictures. Another AI tool is needed here. This is Leonardo AI. We can click to enter this website. Then we come to the home page. You can see there are a lot of pictures here. These templates. Of course, you can also refer to it. Make a template like this. All I want to do today is an anime. So I can find an anime picture. For example, I found this is an anime picture. Click to open. And then here click on this to create. That is, can use him as a template to create a picture. Now I'm going to make one. Like this is a picture of the family. These pictures are what many people like to believe will sell well. You can type it in English. Translate into English from other languages. This English can be used in the input box. Now we need to set it up. Size width pulled to maximum. Then choose this 16:9 ratio. Then it's time to click and witness the miracle. Click to create an AI image. What do we do if you come across some pictures that you are not satisfied with? It's simple. Make a mistake and try again. We can go back. Keep generating more pictures that you feel good about. And the site is completely free. Give you 150 points to generate every day. If you generate these pictures, if you're not satisfied, you can still generate. Generate until satisfied, and you can still be here. Select a 3D anime effect. Generate such a template to try. It looks like we see. It looks pretty good to make this picture. This works well. Let's just download it. After downloading, I came here to see ANVA. This is a template I made earlier. Then we continue to click to create a new one. New here. Continue with this picture. So the picture puts it in again. Then we edit the picture. I'm gonna take this off the background. Just remove the background of the picture. Now let's make this picture a little bigger. It looks really good. A family photo. And then here. I'm looking for some family elements. After finding, you can see these pictures are also very appropriate. Look at these. These pictures. You look very good. This picture is also good. Personal preference to choose. I like to use this one. And then we'll export it when we're done. Also export a transparent PNG image. Same procedure. We still replace this one here. I want to replace the picture I just downloaded. We can take a look. How does this work out? Can see? This cup is very nice. The result is something that even I want. This is the style of the second one. We can still do it. The third style, which is my favorite style. Many children like it very much. That's the way Donald Duck is. This style is also the type of cartoon comics. We also choose this type of template. Your name is a Donald Duck. This style. Let's click to create. It just needs to be the same choice. The ratio is 9:16 or 16:9. How do other parameters actually have to be changed? You just have to choose here. It's Leonardo's style. And then we're here. You need to click create. It looks like garbled code. Less than one's wishes. Ugliness. Let's continue with one. I've chosen a variety of ways to generate it. Generate one. Feel good picture. In addition, the next generation of this is a little flawed. This one still works. Look at this one. It still works. I think I'm most satisfied with this one. Let's download this one. Come back to Canva, and then go ahead and add another one. We just need to pull the picture in. In turn, just do the same with this picture. The background color is removed. Now we can also add some text. Does this text mean you like this Donald Duck? Use a straw here. Get some color from him. It's a little more of a match. Because we click on the effect, you can see it here. Add a shadow to the picture. Shadow of black. That way it works. Download it. You're gonna have to work this one out. Remove the transparent background. This picture, we can try to attach it to it and see. What's the result? Here's a preview. This is what happens. What kind of cup do you like? Or what kind of style do you like? Let me know in the comments below. What style do you like to create? What if you're not inspired? There are many more styles in Leonardo. Let's say you like animals. We can click on animals here. You'll find a lot of these animals. If this picture looks very cute to you, very cute, like this picture, very good looking, I use it to make a cup. Maybe it's a very popular picture. You just need, click here to create. I can create this image. Some other works. There are many, many more. We can use all of these pictures as some material. Is not very convenient to use. So you have nothing to worry about when it comes to inspiration, because he's here. Many people have created a template. You can also use this template to create. When you create this cup, of course, you'll need to tie in your Etsy account, which means you have to be here. Go add your Etsy shop. Go here and click here. We see here is add your shop. Click add. And you can see here that this is Etsy. You've already created an account. Then you bind the account. So here are some products created. You can sell directly on Etsy. So it's very useful. This website you do not need to ship your own zero-cost business. If today's topic, a little bit of help with your idea of making money on AI, I hope you get a free like for this video. If you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments section below. If I have the latest idea of AI making money, I will be the first time share with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.